Did you know that Nemo's dad could have become his mom? It sounds like a joke, but in the underwater world of clownfish, it's completely true. In fact, if the dominant female in a group dies, the top-ranking male transforms into a female both hormonally and physically to keep the group stable and reproductive. Nature doesn't ask for permission, it adapts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating, science-packed, and colorful world of animals that literally change their gender to survive. You're going to meet shape-shifting fish, dramatic snails, and frogs that rewrite the rules of biology. So buckle up, and before we dive deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite animal fact at the end. So how do they do it? Why do animals flip from male to female or female to male like it's no big deal? It's called sequential hermaphroditism, and it's a biological superpower. Some animals are born as one sex, and later switch to the other depending on their environment, social structure, or survival needs. Protandry means an animal changes from male to female. Protogeny means it changes from female to male. This isn't a decision, it's a deeply coded survival tactic triggered by hormones and environmental signals. Let's start with the clownfish, our real-life Nemo. Clownfish live in a strict social hierarchy. Only the largest fish is female, and she mates with the largest male. The rest are small, non-breeding males. If the female dies, the dominant male changes sex and takes over her role. His entire reproductive system shifts, testes dissolve, and ovaries develop. This ensures the continuity of reproduction without needing to find a new mate. Now meet the bluehead wrasse, a small but stunning fish found in coral reefs in the Caribbean. These fish start life as females. In every group, one dominant male protects a harem of females. When the male disappears or dies, the largest female transforms into a fully functioning male. Her body grows larger, she changes color, and even her brain chemistry shifts. This transformation happens in just a few days. Let's travel to Japan's coastal waters and meet the kobudai, also known as the Asian sheepshead wrasse. This massive, deep-water fish is famous for its dramatic physical transformation. When a female becomes male, her entire body reshapes. Her forehead swells into a bulky knob, her jaw becomes pronounced, and her behavior changes to become territorial and dominant. This is one of the most visually striking gender transitions in the ocean. But it's not just fish. Let's talk about slipper limpets, strange little sea snails that pile on top of each other in stacks. The ones at the bottom are female, the ones on top, male. But here's the kicker. If the female at the bottom dies or shifts away, one of the males slides down and transforms into a female to take her place. Their reproductive organs adjust automatically, and the whole stack continues functioning like a strange but effective little snail society. Some amphibians have this ability too. Green frogs, for example, can switch sex in response to changes in their environment, especially pollution or hormones in the water. In some areas with high chemical runoff, male frogs have developed female reproductive organs and even laid eggs. While this is still being studied, it's a powerful example of how sensitive and adaptive nature can be, even in stressful or artificial conditions. Why do all these animals change gender? It's all about survival. In species where large females lay more eggs, starting life as a small male and later becoming female maximizes reproduction. In tightly structured groups, having a member who can switch roles keeps the population stable. It also prevents genetic dead ends, especially in isolated ecosystems like coral reefs. This ability gives these animals a huge evolutionary advantage. Flexibility means survival. So, here's the big question. If animals can adapt this dramatically to survive, what can we learn from them? Maybe nature's greatest lesson is that being adaptable in identity, in role, in behavior is a strength, not a flaw. What's the weirdest animal fact you've ever heard? Drop it in the comments below, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something wild, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping stories from the animal kingdom. Thanks for watching, and remember, in nature, nothing is truly fixed. Everything can evolve.